Jampiyangi Sungakdang Melam. Manjushri's mantra and prayer. Lama Tang Gompo Jetsun Jampeyala Chatselo. Lama and protector, Venerable Manjushri, to you I prostrate. Om Arapatsana. Zeten Kyoki Kerab Özerki. With all of your kindness and love, let your wisdom's shining light, Dalu Timuk Mumba Rabselne, clear the darkness of my ignorance once and for all. Kadang Tenche Shungluk Tokpai, grant me, I pray, the intelligence, the brilliance, Lodre Pobe Nangwa Tseltusel, to understand the scriptures, the words of the Buddha, and works of the masters. Shokpa Delek, good morning, good early morning. Nyingong Delek, good afternoon. Ngadro Delek, good morning. Gongdro Delek, good evening. Simjagnang, good night. Tashila, Shokpa Delek, Tashila, good morning. Genla, Ngadro Delek, teacher, good morning. Bala, Nyingon Delek, father, good afternoon. Amala, Gondro Delek, mother, good evening. Lobtrokso, Simjagnang, schoolmates, good night. Darchok, Gyune, Tsundok, Ngotru. Introduction to colors through flags. Nam Ngumbo, blue sky. Timba Karpo, white clouds. Me Marpo, red fire. Chujangku, green water. Sa Serpo, yellow earth. Namka, sky. Lung, wind. Me, fire. Chu, water. Sa, earth. Tsundok Ngotre, introduction to colors. Karpo, white. Nakpo, black. Heldok, gray. Janggu, green. Ngumbo, blue. Serpo, yellow. Marpo, red. Mumen, purple. Gyamuk, brown. Sinkya, pink. liwang, orange. Selje sumchu, nangsel, datang, tsundang. How to represent the tones of the 30 letters. Tsundok marpu, datang, tobam, datang, ba, tsun. Datak ba tsun. The red color indicates a high, strong tone. Tsundok jangku, datang, jingwa, tang, uk, chiru, tun, goba, tsun. The green color indicates a medium, breathy tone. Tsundok ngumbu, datang, mawam, da, shemba, tsun. The blue color indicates a low, weak tone. Tsundok serpu, datang, mawa, tang, na, da, dun, goba, tsun. The yellow color indicates a low nasal tone. Selche sumchu, nangsel, da, dok, tsun, tang. How the 30 letter sounds look. Ka, ka, nga. Cha, cha, nya. Ta, na. Pa, pa, ma. Za, ca, wa. Sha, sa, ya. Ra, la, sha, sa. Ha, a. Selje kade. Ka, ka, nga. Kara, sugar. Kara sena, ngarmo yore. Sugar is sweet when you eat it. Ka, mouth. Dikare. This is a mouth. Kare. What? Dikarere. What is this? Nga. I. Nga pöbayin. I am Tibetan. Dadang ngudzinche. Identify the sounds. Nga. Ka. 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 Kage. Jongdar. Speaking exercise. Lobtrutso kukamsang. Students, hello. Genla kukamsang. Hello, teacher. Kerangi mingla kare sergiye. What is your name? Nge mingla wangmo sergiye. My name is Wangmo. 왕몰라, 걔랑 로 가즈인. 왕몰라, how old are you? nga lo yin. I am 8 years old. Tanka, numbers. Chik, 1. Ni, 2. Sum, 3. Shi, 4. Nga, 5. Tuk, 6. Dun, 7. Ge, 8. Gu, 9. Chu, 10. Chuchik, 11. Chongni, 12. Choksum, 13. Chupshi, 14. Chonga, 15. Chuchuk, 16. Chupdut, Chupdun, 17. Chopge, 18. Churpu, 19. Nishutamba, 20. Selje chade, the cha letter row. Ja, cha, cha, nya. Chaga, care. 공즈, chaga, 책임도. They are taking care of things. Chakapa, grasshopper. Di bu chakapa re. This is a grasshopper. Cha, tea. Nga chala gabo ye. I like tea. Nya, fish. Chu nangtu nyado. There are fish in the water. Radang muzinche. Identify the sounds. Cha, 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 nya. Kage, jongdar. Speaking exercise. Tongbunla, kukamsang. Shopkeeper, hello. Kukamsang pu. Kyola karego. Hello, son. What would you like? Ngala shedgara tang kapse ko. I need rock candy and cookies. Lasso. Tetsuko a. Okay. Wait here a moment. Selje ta te. The ta letter row. Ta 다, 나, 달라, palm, 디싱 달라리. This is a palm tree. 하마, last. 코 타마리. He is last. Hara, buttermilk. Nge tara 동기유. I'm drinking buttermilk. 나, sick. 부모디 나도. This girl is sick. 라당 무진체. Identify the sounds. 따, 타, 타, 나. 세주 불당. How to do the food offering prayer. Dönba lame sangye rinpoche. To the best, most precious teacher, the Buddha. Chopa lame tamchu rinpoche. To the best, most precious teaching, the Dharma. Dönba lame gendun rinpoche. To the best, most precious guides, the Sangha. Kyabne kunchok sumla chopa bul. I make offerings to you, the three rare and best places for refuge. Seljepade. Pa, 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 ma. Papa, father. Di papare. This is a father. Ama, parents. Nga pamala gabo ye. I like parents. Para, cowshed. Pachuk parayi nangtuto. The cows are in the cowshed. Mama, nanny. Di mama re. This is a nanny. Tadang wuzinche. Pa, ma, pa, pa. Kage jongdar. Speaking exercise. Amala shokpa delek. Good morning, Mom. Shokpa delek pu. Shokja karego. Good morning, son. What would you like for breakfast? Woma tang paglep go, Amala. Karechugiin. I would like milk and bread. What are you going to have, Mom? nge baklep yamtu gonga sayiyin. I'm going to have bread with eggs. Bala tang ajala niki kare chugiri. What are dad and big sister going to have? Kongnigi baklep tang gonga chugiri. They're going to have bread and eggs. Silje zade. Za, ca, ca, wa. Zarara, falling. Chu zarara, tungido. Water is falling out. Paluma, orange. Tsalumai do, liwang re. An orange's color is orange. Zaretsore, messy. Nöche zaretzorer shakduk. The dishes are in a mess. Wamo, vixen. Dila wamo sergieux. This is called a vixen. Radang muzinche. Identify the sounds. Ca, ca, za, wa. Lugi chashe ngotu. Introduction to body parts. Mikbu, eyebrow. Nachok, ear. Ka, mouth. Chuto, lips. Male, chin. Lakpa, arm. Lakpa, hand. La, thigh. Gangba, leg. Gangba, foot. Tuba, forehead. Mik, eye. Na, nose. So, teeth. Je, tongue. Tango, chest. Togo, abdomen. Dewa, belly button. Bumo, knee. Senmo, nails. Da, hair. Ge, neck. Takba, shoulder. Pungba, upper arm. Tsubmo, fingers. Gelba, back. Tinka, heels. Go, head. Tumo, elbow. Gepa, waist. Kup, bum. Nyaril, calf.